Is how to integrate your Google Tag Manager to Blogger.com. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Tag Manager and tags from there to your Blogger post. So first thing you want to do is open web browser and go to Blogger.com. And from here, make sure to log into your account. So just go to Blogger.com and click on this right here. And make sure you have logged into your account. And after that, you want to go to open a new tab and search for Google Tag Manager and open the first link, or you can directly search for this URL, tagmanager.google.com. Now here you can create an account if you don't have one, so just tap on create, and here it will ask you for your company name, so just enter your company name or anything. Now here you can select any country, so from all of these options you can select a country, and here you will have to paste a link to your website. So to get that, just go to your blogger.com and post, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on view blog. And here you will have to copy this URL right here, just Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on this. And you will just have to remove this portion right here. Now, on the target platform, you'll have to choose web and simply click on create. Now it will create a Google Tag Manager, and make sure to select the language to your preference. And if you want to read all of these terms and conditions, it's alright, and click on this checkbox, then click on yes. Now it will save your account and create a tag for you. Now something like this should appear right here. All you have to do is click on this copy option right here, the first code. Just click on this and it will copy all of these tags. Now what this says is paste this code as high as in the head section. So you'll have to open the HTML on your Blogger post. For that, just go here and go to themes. And here you'll see this customize button right here. Click on this drop down and click on edit HTML. So this will open up the HTML of your site, and here we have to paste it on at the top of the head. So here is the head section right here. Select it and click enter, then paste the code. So once you do that, click on this save button at the top right. As you can see here, we get an error. So we have to enter a delimiter. So for that, what you want to do is go on line 8, and you see this right here, and L. Just put your cursor in between and type in ANP and then semicolon, and then click on save. So as you can see, the update was successful. Now what you have to do is go back here, go to your Google Manager again, and copy the second code. So we have to paste it on the first part of the body. So just copy this code. Now what you have to do is go back here and open the HTML again. As you can see, the tag we edited has successfully been added here. Now to find body, you can just click on Ctrl+F. It will open up the search bar, and you can search for body right here. And if you just go down, you will see the body part of this HTML. You just have to put your cursor anywhere on the HTML, so make sure your cursor is here, then press on Ctrl+F and then search for this open bracket body. Just press enter. And as you can see on the line, almost 3000 line, here you will see the body section. Now select the body section and enter. Then just go here, copy this code and paste it right here. Once you do that, you again click on save, and it should say update successful. Alright, so once you do this, just go back to your Google Tag Manager, and here you can test your website. It's optional, so it's alright. Click on OK. Now here what you want to do is create a new tag. Click on this add a new tag, and something like this should appear on your screen. So once you do this, click on this tag configuration, and from here on your tag configuration you just choose the Google Analytics. Click on it, and something like universal analytics should pop up right here. It's not showing on my screen, but something like that should appear. Or you can just choose the Google tag and enter all of your details right here, but you can just add your analytics. So go on Google Analytics, and something like universal analytics should pop up right here. And once you do that, just go to the second option, triggering, click on it and choose this first option, all pages, and you will be able to click on save, and then your Google tag should be added to your blog. So once you click on save, your tag should be updated and it should be added to your blogger.com's post. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any other videos like these, and turn on post notification for future updates. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.